Heart quilts are a timeless way to express love through fabric and stitches. Whether you're celebrating Valentine's Day or simply want to add a touch of warmth to your home, these free heart quilt patterns offer something for every skill level and style preference. Let's explore some of the most charming and creative heart quilt designs available at no cost. First up is the Quilted Hearts pattern by Julie Safalu. These adorable heart ornaments are perfect for a quick weekend project. You can customize their size and embellish them with buttons and ribbons, making them ideal for decorations or heartfelt gifts. For those who love vibrant colors, the Bright Heart Quilt by Amy Butler and Carrie Thompson is a must-try. Inspired by the lively hues of Oaxaca, Mexico, this throw-sized quilt measures 55.5 by 73 inches. Its bold patterns and energetic colors make it a standout piece for any room. If you're looking for a modern twist on the classic heart motif, consider the Cross My Heart quilt by Stacy Day. This intermediate level pattern creates the illusion of giant cross stitches against a dark background, resulting in a sophisticated and visually striking design. At 85 by 89 inches, it's perfect for a statement bedroom piece. For those new to quilting or seeking a smaller project, the Made with Love quilt from Fabric Editions is an excellent choice. This wall hanging measures 30 by 36 inches and uses fat quarters to create a charming display of triangular blocks in red and light hues. It's an ideal way to showcase your quilting skills in a compact format. Lastly, for quilters who enjoy a challenge, the Go Cube 12-inch pieced heart quilt from AccuQuilt offers a delightful mix of block styles. This intricate design incorporates various patterns like flower basket and diamond star, resulting in a stunning 60 by 69.5-inch quilt that's sure to become a treasured heirloom. From simple ornaments to complex full-size quilts, these free heart patterns provide endless opportunities to create beautiful, love-filled projects. Whether you're quilting for yourself or making a special gift, there's a heart quilt pattern that's perfect for you. So grab your fabric stash and start stitching your next heartfelt masterpiece today. Want more heart quilt patterns to inspire your quilting passion? Fall in love with the collection at ilovequiltingforever.com.